Hey guys, if you couldn't tell, today's an interesting day. This is a cool outfit I've had for a while. I've not shot with. It's from Foreplay. I got it off Amazon. I will link it in the comments below. It's very badass and rock and roll and kind of hard, which is fun. It's got all these cool zipper accessories and it is a little bit squeaky. So just to show it to you more, these snap on and snap off the collar part. It's got all these cool zipper accessories that come up and around. This one technically unzips. It's just a zipper though, it doesn't actually do anything. Oh shoot. Oh, go back up. Okay, don't unzip that when you get it. It is shiny and kind of a more of a wet look. It's a little loose in the arms, which actually isn't so bad because it's not riding right up in my armpits, making me super hot. The sleeves zip up and down, which is cool. Zippers are just a little stiff. It surprisingly fits. I find I have a pretty long torso and most one piece either like right up in my crotch or cut in really bad. It doesn't cut in too bad. I mean, on the butt it kind of cuts in more than I would like, but what can you do? I put down a little bit more. That's what I wish it wasn't quite as big here without getting to like darted or taken in. I don't think that's possible. That's okay. Most of my video I'm filming today is from the front. I've paired it with a killer spike collar with some extra accoutrement. And today I am playing the villainess. That's right. I'm the bad guy. Sometimes I'm the good guy. Right now I'm the bad guy. I drove pretty cool my killer villain outfit. I've been saving this for a rainy day, and a villain kind of seemed like the right fit. It's red, which is awesome because a lot of fetishy wear I find is so black. And I have so much of stuff that's black, and while I like black, I don't own a lot of black things normally because I got 2 little white chihuahuas and dog hair is insidious. So I like to collect as much red as I can. That way, I don't know, I just feel like it's more boom and in your face. And you guys know me, I love color, so black is like the absence of color, so I find it difficult. But somehow I just love the way black looks. It's so sexy. The problem of a color-loving girl, what can I say? Of course, you guys can see this outfit on my Patreon. I'm really digging this spike collar. It came, I believe, from my good friend Kevin. Thank you, Kevin, so much. I love that it has chain accent. I believe it's from Amazon as well. I will put that in the comments below so that you guys can grab one for yourself if you like. I hope that you guys are having a killer day. Don't forget to click the subscribe button because it means that you're willing to join the dark side with me. Not really, just means you're cool. And these videos here contain more fun things. I hope you guys have a killer day. Bye for now.